Hi everyone. Welcome to this comprehensive lecture series where we will explore 100 essential questions on ESG and sustainability. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, this session is designed to strengthen your concepts and prepare you for real world challenges. In our last three lectures, we explore our three parts up to from question number 1 to 15. So in this part, we are starting from question number 16 to 50, which will cover around five sections from section 4 to 8. So here we are introducing formally to our lecture. Section number 4 is for sustainable materials. The question is, what are green building materials? The answer would be or shall be materials with low environmental impact, such as recycled steel, low carbon cement, and sustainable timber. Number question 17 is, what is low carbon concrete? Answer is concrete that uses alternative binders or recycled materials to reduce carbon dioxide or CO2 emissions. Now, my next question is, what is life cycle assessment, LCA? I already recorded my detailed lecture. Uh, I think there are two parts on this LCA, but here we have short question because this is series of questions. So we have the interview can ask you what's LCA. The answer is a method to evaluate environmental impacts throughout the life of a product or building. Number fourth question of this section is, what is circular economy in construction? The answer is a system where materials are reused, recycled, or recovered instead of being wasted. Number last question is, what is embodied carbon? Answer is the total carbon emissions associated with producing and transporting building materials. So this is all about section number 4 for sustainable materials. Section number 5 for waste management is, what are the main types of construction waste? The answer is concrete, metal, wood, plastic, packaging materials. The question is, what is the waste hierarchy? The answer is reuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, recover, and dispose. Next question is, what is waste segregation? The answer is separating waste into categories like recyclables, organic, and hazardous waste. Then, what is hazardous waste? The answer is the waste that poses health or environmental risks, such as chemicals, oils, and batteries. The question is, how can construction waste being reduced? The answer is accurate material estimation, prefabrication, and recycling. Then we have section number 6, which is water sustainability. Why is water conservation important in Saudi projects? Because if any for example if you are interviewing in the UAE, so the question may be converted that why is water conservation important in UAE or Middle East? So the answer is almost same. That answer is Saudi Arabia or UAE or Middle East has limited freshwater resources because all these countries has negligible or no source of sweet water from the ground. So they all are using seawater or some. So you have to answer that Saudi Arabia has limited freshwater resources, making water efficiency essential. The question is, what are common water saving practices? The answer is recycled water use, low flow fixtures, and smart irrigation systems. The question is, what is grey water recycling? The answer is reusing water from sinks and showers for irrigation or flushing. The next question is, what is stormwater management? The managing rainfall to prevent flooding and pollution. And the final question of this section is, what is desalination? The answer is removing salt from seawater to produce fresh water. Then we have section number 7, which is social responsibility. Because in ESG, here we have series 100 question series for the ESG and sustainability. So in ESG, ACE is for the social. So definitely we have a separate section for the social. So section 7 is social responsibility, and question is, what does the social pillar of ESG cover? The answer is worker welfare, community impact, labor rights, and health and safety. The question is, what is worker welfare? The answer is ensuring workers have safe working conditions, proper accommodation, and fair treatment. Then, what is GRM? Grievance redress mechanism. The answer is a system where workers or communities can report complaints and resolve issues. Question number 34 is, what is GBV? The answer is gender based violence. Any harm directed at individuals based on gender, especially the woman or child. Then, what is stakeholder engagement? The answer is consulting with communities, workers, and authorities affected by the project. Then we have question number question number 8, which is health and safety. So question is, what is PPE? The answer is personal protective equipment such as helmets, gloves, safety and safety shoes. Then we have, what is risk assessment? The answer is identifying hazard and implementing control to reduce the risk. What is toolbox talk? The answer is a short safety meeting conducted before work begins. Then, what is incident reporting? The answer is recording accidents or near misses to prevent reoccurrence. The final question of this lecture, which is part number 8, is, what is emergency preparedness? The answer is planning for fire, medical emergency, or disease. So, hope you enjoy the lecture. Soon we will meet with the next part for the question from 41. So, thanks for watching.